Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making rice, not a regular white rice. We'll be making yellow rice this time around. We'll use turmeric. Turmeric is very healthy to the body. It's an antioxidant. The same class with ginger, just that this one has color. You know curry powder. It's turmeric that is the content that gives it that yellow color. So instead of buying curry that you don't know other ingredients there, you make use of turmeric direct. You will get the same color and the same effect as when you use curry powder. Let's go right into the game. As you can see, I'm washing the rice. I wash the rice as many times as possible till the water becomes clear. You wash it at least 3 to 4 times to ensure that the rice is clean, because we won't be washing it after boiling it. We'll just pour the water and start cooking. Now, this is me pouring the rice into an already boiled water. Sorry, I had already started pouring the rice before I realized I wasn't recording. That's why I did not record when I just opened the pot for you to see that the water was actually boiling. It's a boiled water. After pouring the rice into the pot, you add your turmeric, just a little amount of turmeric, not much. You see this spoon, I'm using baby spoon, and I still didn't put much. That's the baby spoon, a very small spoon. After that, you cover the pot and allow it to boil for like 3 to 4 minutes. Once you open it, can you see the goodness? You see the rice have already changed color. It has absorbed the color from the turmeric. Then the next thing you do is just to get a sieve and sieve the water. You sieve it. I like sieving mine because it helps me control the color. Once I get the rice to the color I want, I go ahead and sieve the water out, so I can now boil it till it's done. The next thing I do is to set the pot, pour the rice back into the pot, put water to the level I need, and boil. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After that, you cover the pot and boil till it's done. Ta-da! Can you see the rice, guys? The rice is done at this point. It's done. Can you see the color? Give a thumbs up to this video, guys. Please, 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 and subscribe to the channel. Look at this goodness. Look good. This is not your regular white rice, guys. Twist it in your home and make this yellow rice courtesy of turmeric. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Love you.